Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to set up Game Stick Lite 4K, first time use and beginner setup guide. Step 1. Connect the Game Stick. Insert the 2.4G wireless USB receiver dongle into the USB port on the Game Stick. Connect the micro USB power cable to the Game Stick's power port. Plug the other end of the power cable into a 5V 1A or 5V 2A USB power adapter. Remove the protective cap and plug the game stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. If space behind the TV is limited, use the included HDMI extension cable. Step 2. Power on and select HDMI input. Turn on your TV. Press the source or input button on your TV remote. Select the HDMI port where the game stick is connected, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. Wait for the game stick to boot up and display the main menu. Confirm that the power indicator light is on. Step 3. Set up the controllers. Open the battery compartment on each controller. Insert two AAA batteries into each controller. Move the power switch to the on position. Wait a few seconds for the controllers to automatically pair with the USB receiver. Verify that the controller indicator light becomes steady or flashes normally. Step 4. Start playing games. Use the D-pad or analog stick to navigate the menu. Select a game system NES, Sega, Game Boy, PS1, etc. Choose a game and press A or start to launch it. For arcade games, press select to insert a coin, then press start to begin playing. To exit a game and return to the main menu, press and hold start plus select together. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to the channel.